Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Brave browser on your Windows PC. Brave is a fast, secure, and privacy-focused web browser that's free to use. Let's get started. First, open your current web browser, such as Google Chrome. At the top of the browser, click the address bar, type brave.com, and press enter. This will open the official Brave website. Once the website loads, you'll see the Download Brave button on the home page. Click on this button to start downloading the Brave browser installer. Now wait a few moments while the installer downloads. Depending on your internet speed, the download may finish in just a few seconds. After the download is complete, click the downloaded Brave installer from the bottom of your browser or from your Downloads folder. If Brave is already installed on your computer, the browser may open immediately, or Windows may simply confirm that it's already installed. That's completely normal. If Brave isn't installed yet, the installer will begin the installation process automatically. After the installation is complete, Brave browser will launch, and you'll see the Brave home page. From here, you can start browsing the web, sign in if you want to sync your data, import bookmarks from another browser, or even set Brave as your default browser. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Brave browser on your Windows PC quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more browser tutorials and technology guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.